Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a pizza. Like if you don't have a pizza that you don't like, then this is what you do. You get the pizza, you take off the toppings that you don't like, and then you put it in the microwave. It's easy. I mean not the microwave. Did I say microwave? Yeah, put it in the microwave. And yeah. Okay, anyways, back to the title of the video. We're gonna be reacting to Salmon Cat. The last time I reacted to it, I didn't post it because my dad interrupted it. So yeah, and I have to start all over again. Do you know how annoying that is? Also, I'm thinking of reacting to Dogman. So if you think I should react to Dogman, comment below. But anyways, as we shall react to Salmon Cat episode 1. Wow, let's dive into the world of Salmon Cat.
My life is amazing. I got a mansion.
I love this song. Bombaya.
And I'm in a rush for business. I got a 4.0 in politics. I like bad checks and fast whips. My life is so fantastic. Hey, aren't you Sam from iCarly?
You a cop?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm Sam.
What are you doing here in LA?
Looking for fun? How are your breakfast burritos?
Disgusting.
I'll take a jumbo. Bosley! Here, Bosley! Bosley, where are you? Bosley!
Mom, did you take off all the toppings?
I'm stopping my vehicle! Hi, what's wrong?
We can't find our cat.
Shut up! My name is Cat!
Can you help us find our cat?
Oh, I heard him yell! Oh, Kitty, wait!
Bosley.
Hold on, Kitty, I'm coming.
Oh my gosh, just like Bosley, make it so hard.
Here, Bosley.
Bosley. I can say Bosley, Bosley, Bosley.
Oh,
Retard.
oh, I see the kittens! Give me a boost, come on! Oh, thanks!
Wow. That's fun.
Oh, here you go!
Awesome.
Oh.
Thanks.
Bye! Oh, dang it! My gum fell out of my mouth. Hey, gum! Where'd you go? What's that red-headed chick doing in a trash can? And why is there a battery in my burrito? Where'd you go, gum? Hey! Hey, don't pick up that trash can! There's a girl in there! Oh my God! Oh man, I'll miss you. Hey! Hey, wait, sister! Wait! Hold up! Dude, stop the truck! It ain't a girl! I don't know, some hotel.
Ugh, what's that smell?
That's you and me from swimming in garbage. I gotta go find somewhere to hose myself off.
Oh, well, come take a bath at my Nona's.
What's a Nona?
My grandma, I live with her.
Oh, thanks, but you don't have to.
Oh, please. You saved me from being squished in garbage. Let me repay you with the gift of bathing.
Okay. And how far is it? Because I'm all gross and I don't want to jank up my motorcycle.
It's pretty far.
Follow me and do what I do.
KK.
Hey! Hey, buddy, where you been?
I believe you have the wrong limo. I am here to get Dr. Williams and take him to the airport so that he can fly back to England.
Well, where Dr. Williams' daughters is.
My name's Ophelia.
Your name?
Eh?
You're supposed to take us to meet our daddy.
But nobody told me anything about taking two girls.
Oh, no. Please don't strike us.
Wait, just go.
Did you say this man? About to taunt him.
Just get in the car. Very good. Okay. Everything's fine.
You got another robe I could wear? You know, one that doesn't make me look like a vomiting rainbow?
No, but don't worry. Your clothes are in the dryer.
And when will they be ready?
When my Nona comes home and shows me how to start the dryer. Come in, Dice. What's up, Valentine?
Who's the kid?
That's Dice. He lives in this building.
Yup. Guess what I got today?
Oh, is it something?
Yeah. Hair. In bags. You girls want to buy some? I would, but just yesterday I ordered a huge bag of hair online.
No. This is celebrity hair. See, I got hair from Will Smith, Katy Perry, I got Ryan Seacrest, Justin Bieber.
How much for the Bieber?
30.
I'll take it. Oh!
You know, you look like Sam from that web show iCarly.
Nah, that chick's way hotter than me.
She is, Sam.
Whoa, you're awesome.
Yeah.
Will you give me some of your hair?
I'll sell you some of my hair.
I'll come back later with bags and scissors.
Run fast with those scissors. Hey, quit sniffing the beebs.
I can't help it. He smells so talented. Nona!
Nice sack.
Get me out of this thing.
Nona, be careful. Sam, grab her.
Put me down. Get me out.
Nona, are you all right?
Nope. What happened to you?
Those little demons happened to me.
Nona babysits for a lot of the little kids in the building.
Not anymore. I'm tired of those rotten kids putting me in sacks, peeing everywhere. It's time for me to move to Elderly Acres.
No! Nona, you're not moving to Elderly Acres.
But it's a wonderful place.
Well, then I'll move there with you.
It's only for elderlies.
But I can't live here alone. What if I fall in the toilet and get stuck again?
I'll just be 5 blocks away.
5 blocks?
You know how
Hey,
long
that's too
hey,
telephone.
hey. If she gets stuck in a toilet again, will you please text me a pic of that?
Why is she here?
She's visiting. Is it okay if she stays here with us tonight?
Sure. I assume you don't have a prison record.
Yeah, you assume that. Wait, no. Well, wait, what's up? How is this possible?
sleep in a sofa bed.
Your nutty Nona folded me up in this thing.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes she sleepwalks. She does stuff and she doesn't even know it.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna sleep here next to you so you don't get scared.
I'll get scared. Oh, whatever.
So, how long are you gonna be here in LA?
I don't know.
Well, don't you want to get back to Seattle?
No rush. I mean, my best friend moved to Italy with her dad. And my mom's kind of a nut job.
So you're just gonna cruise around America like a hippie?
Yeah. I'm going wherever my motorcycle takes me.
I thought the person controls the motorcycle.
Man, how much Bieber did you sniff?
No, no! No, don't do this! No! No! Please, please, no! Captain! Leave us! Hi!
Hey, how was school?
Learning. What you doing?
I read online that if you mix coffee, orange juice, and a raw egg, it blows up.
Cool, I love explosions.
Then get ready for... Ugh, you got any dynamite?
No, sorry. No, I'm home. I brought you special cream.
Your Nona's not here.
Oh, did she go to the gun range?
No? I took her to Elderly Acres.
To visit somebody?
No, she, lives there now.
You put my Nona in a home for elderlies?
It's sort of... Aren't you glad your Nona's not here to see that?
How could you take her to that place?
She asked me to.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna faint. Or puke. I'm gonna puke.
Come on, elderlies love living with other elderlies. They have dinner together at 4 o'clock and eat soft foods and talk about pills. Where are we going?
Elderly acres.
I gotta open that first.
Sometimes I forget. I got it, Cat. Hi, Max. Hi, Chloe. Cute boots. I can't talk right now.
That's cool. Just let us in. Your Nona's babysitting us.
No, my Nona's not here because somebody did something very terrible to her.
Somebody.
Hey, can you take Darby? He's heavy.
No, you guys, I don't have time to. I gotta go.
Whoa, I don't want this beast. Oh, yeah, pretty flowers. Go tell your mom to find another babysitter.
Our mom left for work.
Well then, just come with us, okay?
Let's go.
You left the baby in the bush.
I'm getting the baby. Hurry. Let's go.
Nona! 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 Where's my Nona? Nona!
You want to do something
Hi,
fun?
guys.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry I turned my camera off for really long. I was eating dinner. So, like, I didn't want you to see me eat because, like, I know that's weird. So, like, yeah. Anyways, back to the video.
Here. All right. Here. Hop on this thing. And keep an eye on that thing.
It's not a thing, it's a baby.
Oh, dang it.
Okay, I'm sorry, everyone, but the tattoo man had to leave, and he won't be back today. I'm sorry.
You guys were gonna get tattoos today?
We were. Now we're just disappointed.
she
Roll
doing?
up your sleeve.
Come on, I'm taking you home.
No, I love this place. Look at that guy. He's single and he's hot.
You really like it here?
Yes. Tonight we're all going to get in the swimming pool and watch a funny movie.
That's perfect for you.
I know.
Because sometimes when you laugh, you pee a little and you'll already be in a pool.
Welcome to Inside Out Burger. What would you like today?
We want 2 double mega meals. And we got any baby food?
No.
And what do we get Darby? He can suck on the fries.
Even though you'll be living here, you promise you'll come over and visit me a lot?
All the time. And you,
Wait, who's gonna make me soup?
you can learn.
I can?
Sure, you just open the can, pour it in the bowl, and put it in the microwave.
Wait, slow down.
Hey, will you tell this dude to quit complaining?
I told you I wanted a tattoo of Abraham Lincoln.
Well, too bad. You got a chicken leg.
Oh, good.
That'll
I
be
like it.
$6.50.
Oh, we don't have any money.
What?
Go! Hang on!
Code 4, someone get the manager. Hey, you kids, come back here. Stop that shooter. Hey!
I mean, it might be kind of fun having a whole apartment to myself.
Sure, I've lived alone for years.
I thought you lived with your mom.
Well, that's like living alone.
Hey, Sam, I'm ready for your hair.
Oh, yeah, why don't we head inside? Oh,
The kids!
what kids?
The ones we were babysitting. We left them in Elderly Acres.
Oh, I saw those kids 10 minutes ago.
Where?
Inside Out Burger.
Oh, man, I love their fries. Come
Come on. I'm serious.
Max, Chloe.
What goes on?
Those kids, they owe $6. I'm down.
Okay, kids, we caught a lucky break. Let's head on home.
No! We have to stay and fix this sweaty man. We have to give him C3PO.
CPR?
Okay, we'll try that first. You pump his legs and I'll bounce on his chest.
Whoa, why don't you pump his legs and I'll bounce on his chest?
We'll trade off.
Let's do it. Okay.
Ready?
Go, go, go.
Okay.
Just switch.
Quick, hurry up.
Are they doing it right?
Stop. Stop.
You girls saved my life.
Please, don't worry about thanking us.
Maybe this nice man wants to thank us with free food.
Yes. As manager of this Inside Out Burger, I declare that
Sam Puckett?
Sam Puckett and
Cat Valentine.
Cat Valentine shall be given free cheeseburgers for as long as they both shall live.
Yeah. 3 bags of hair.
I hope you're selling for big bucks.
Oh, I will. You're a legit celebrity. I can sell anything you got. Can I have that?
Oh, I'll get the door. Come along, baby. Oh, hi, Melinda.
Hey, Cat.
Mom!
Did you guys have a fun day with Nona?
Nope. Sam and Kat took care of us. They're the best babysitters ever. We drove an elderly scooter on the street. And they saved a sweaty guy from dying.
It's a new video game,
Called Rescue the Chubby.
which is a nice word for fat.
Ah, well,
Let me just pay you guys for the babysitting. There.
How much is this?
$150. You guys want to babysit for them again sometime?
Would you? Yeah!
I don't live here. Kat?
Sure, I'll babysit. Just text me whenever.
Awesome. Come on, kids.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks again.
Yeah, bye. Save your snot. You're a weird kid. Now let's see. You have red hair and I'm blonde, so I get 130 and you get no 120.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, you keep it all. Well, guess I should hop on the old bike. See where it takes me.
Okay, but it just seems like we had a lot of fun together over the past couple days. And we sort of have this whole fun odd couple dynamic. Built-in conflict. Lots of potential for more adventures. I'll forget it.
No, wait. I mean, I kind of don't have anywhere I really need to be. And you kind of seem like you need a roommate.
Are you saying what I think you're saying?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay here in LA with me for a while and help me find a roommate?
I already found you a roommate.
Shut up! Who is she?
Me!
Oh my God! This is the best day ever! So much better than yesterday when we were in garbage.
Isn't it?
So what's for dinner?
I'm thinking free cheeseburgers.
2 Inside Out burgers!
Don't tickle me. Take your fingers out of my ears. This is gonna be a long ride.
Good morning.
How many times have I told you not to wake me up like that?
Well, you've been living here 2 days, so 2.
Hey, shouldn't you be on your little pink bike pedaling off to school?
No, I got some time. Besides, I want to finish watching the new episode of That's a Drag.
Oh, you like that show?
I love that show.
I love that show.
Oh. Hey, do you have the remote?
Yeah, it might be under my covers there.
Oh, yeah, I think I found a bone with meat on it.
There's my beef rib. Tried to escape, eh? Well, now you're going in the hole, see?
Where'd you get a beef rib?
Your Nona brought over a whole rack of them last night.
Yeah, I love my Nona's ribs.
Well, you can suck on the bones.
Oh, here's the remote.
Turn on That's a Drag.
KK.
Oh, the giraffe.
Hey, Mom, does this skirt make my butt look big?
No, it makes your butt look just right.
Yeah. Now give me back my laptop.
Look, on TV shows, they don't let them use real pear computers, so they changed the pear to a banana.
That's so clever.
Well, I found him.
Dylan! What happened to you? Your dress is filthy. And your face.
I joined the football team.
What? That is so cool!
I say that skirt does make his butt look big.
Rappers!
Rampers.
Come in, guys.
Any girls here have heads?
Yes, we both have heads.
Then I got something you both need.
Barbecue sauce.
Hats! Only 50 cents each.
Why does it say Alabama?
Ali spelled it wrong.
You got any defective hats from other states?
Yeah, I got Kentucky, Nebraska, South Dakota, Montana.
Mama wants Montana.
Cool. Hey, you guys got any breakfast?
There's some meat left on this bone.
I'm gonna nuke it.
I don't care.
Ding dong.
Why'd you do that?
Do what? Hi.
Hey, saw this flyer? You two are babysitters?
Yes. I mean, one moment, please. Our first real customer. Now we're professional babysitters. Shh, just be cool. We don't want him to know we're new at this.
He's 3 feet away.
So, can you guys babysit my boys?
Sure.
When?
Today after school?
That works.
Yeah. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Shh, be cool.
I'll try to control myself.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, you will.
It's not like we're new at this.
Oh, yay. I'm so excited we get to... Oh, geez, I gotta get to school.
Hey, don't you have to go to school?
Yeah, but I do it online now, see? Yay, I'm at school.
Bye, Sam.
See ya.
Bye, you guys, later. Yeah. Okay, math. Let's see. Channel 2 plus channel 5 equals channel 7.
Realize it was an older gentleman. I'm never that far, no matter where you are. Believe it, we can make it come true. We'll do it our way, no matter what they say. 'Cause no one's gonna do it for you. Ooh, yeah, but I'll never say never. As long as we keep it together. If you live in a dream and you know what it means, then you can't let them change your mind. It's the life that we choose and we still break the rules, but it's all gonna be just fine. Yeah, we're all gonna be just fine. You and me, we're gonna be just fine.
Sam, it's so bad. It's so bad.
Look, I took 2 rib bones and made them into a weapon.
I can't, Sam. I can't.
Cat? Hey, why are you freaking out?
I was reading Red Line Hollywood and they canceled.
They canceled? That's a drag? Why? That show's a big hit. What kind of TV network cancels a big hit?
It's insane. They're not even gonna do a big final episode.
What?
Ding dong.
Go away! A quality TV show's been canceled!
No, it's the kids we promised we'd babysit.
Oh, crepes. Hey!
Here's my boys. Ethan, Bob, later.
Wait, are there any special instructions? Okay, later. Hello, children.
guys want to break some bottles?
Or we could watch a movie or play video games.
Hey, okay, what are we doing here?
Oh, he's cuddling your leg.
Yes, how cute.
Are you going to feed us dinner?
Sure.
What are we having?
We could have chicken.
Do you have a pet?
No.
Why is your hair red?
Well, I use this
Do you
stuff.
have any diseases?
Diseases?
Kid, dude, let go.
So guys,
Do you like frogs?
every day, as soon before I finish Sam and Cat, I'm going to watch 2 episodes each day, so then I can finish faster. Back to the video.
No.
Do you have a bowling ball?
No.
Did you hear they canceled That's a Drag?
Yes. The one question she said yes to out of all the questions he has asked.
Okay, here we go.
Where do we go?
That's not what I meant.
What did you mean?
I was about to tell Kat that I found some information online.
Information about what?
About how to remove tongues from little boys.
Hey, did you find out who's in charge of That's a Drag?
Yeah, the producer is some guy named Jeff Duchel, and they filmed the show at West Hollywood Studios.
That's not far from here. Ew, Bob, you're drooling on my sweater. Hey, look, a chair, fun.
Well, come on, let's go save a TV show.
Yeah, roommate power.
What?
Let's touch rings.
I don't wear rings.
Oh, well then let's bump butts.
I'll buy a ring. Whoa!
It's the set of That's a Drag. It looks just like it does on TV.
Except the men are wearing pants.
You supposed to be here?
Hey, you're Cheb, right?
Yeah, who are you?
This is Cheb.
Sup, Cheb?
What are you doing here?
Your car's on fire.
My hat's back! On my way, baby!
Later, Cheb. Cheb's nice.
Bob, you gotta quit squeezing my thighs. There, you see that guy? He loves to cuddle. Go get some.
Where's the bathroom?
Probably that way.
Will you come with me?
No.
What if my zipper gets stuck?
Yank on it.
Listen, just call Richard Whites and tell him to get me a job. Oh, hello. Can I help you?
I don't know, what are you?
I'm Jeff Duchel, the
The producer of That's a Drag.
Yes, I am. What was that for?
To make your foot hurt. For canceling our favorite TV show.
All right, listen.
Kat, producers don't cancel shows.
Yeah, I'm more upset than anyone.
Not than me. Oh, please tell those men to stop moving things.
I can't do that.
Okay, everyone, take 5. Hey, you, where's that kid that was on your leg?
Oh, I think he climbed up there and crawled inside that stage light.
Bob! Oh, man, well, just help me get him.
I'm on a break.
You have to save the show.
I tried. I did everything I could.
But you can't just throw this whole world away, right, Sam?
Yeah, I got a situation with Bob here.
Look, kid, I just think that...
This is the chair where Dylan threw up on his bunny. And what about these cool stairs that really go nowhere, but thanks to the illusion of television seem like they go somewhere? Hopper showed Buddy and Chip that weird trick with his thumb. Beep-doop, beep-doop.
Look, my phone just beeped. I've got to go play tennis.
Wait, but Mr. Duchel, I'll play tennis with you.
Seriously, Bob.
Mr. Duchel.
I'm sorry, the show is canceled.
No, Mr. Duchel, please, no, don't get in the car. No, don't start the car. Oh, you started the car. No, Mr. Duchel, please, you're my only hope. No. I'm not giving up yet. You can't just wipe me away. No. Mr. Duchel, you have to stop, please.
Bob, are you gonna make me come up there and get you? Okay, let's see. The light is hanging from that chain, which goes to that rope, and there. Buckle up, Bob! Bob. Now that is good babysitting.
Does Batman wear underwear?
Shut up.
Is this a couch or a sofa?
I don't know.
Do monsters get sick?
I don't care.
What are belly buttons for?
Soup.
Hi, it's me, Kat.
Dude, where you been?
On the hood of that producer guy's car. All the way from Hollywood to Santa Monica.
What? That's like 17 miles.
Yeah, I finally fell off when we hit a speed bump. These broke. Like my heart. When they canceled That's a Drag.
Don't cry. You're getting all... Here. You know what you need?
My own unicorn?
And a little... That's a drag.
I can't believe he's gone.
Well, Grampers may be gone, but the good news is we'll always have his teeth.
Yeah, at least we'll always have a piece of him.
I wish I could always have a piece of this show. I need a cookie.
I got one more hat. Who wants to buy Tennessee?
No one. You're coming with me.
Where are we going?
Yep. Hey, you mind watching these kids? I gotta go do something.
I don't mind. Maybe they'll cheer me up.
Not a girl.
My cookies.
Whoa! This is where they filmed That's a Drag.
Listen, I'm gonna create a distraction. When I do, you sneak on the set and, grab that zebra lamp, stuff it down your pants, then I'll meet you outside.
Why?
'Cause the show's canceled. I want Kat to have a piece of it, you know, to keep forever.
Aw, you're sweet.
Never call me sweet.
No. I said, Smeet.
Just get ready to grab the lamp.
Whoa. I don't steal stuff. I'm a deal maker.
Just grab the lamp and I'll give you $20.
Deal?
do we do?
Just keep looking at my bleeding arm.
Hey, there's a kid putting a lamp down his pants. Get the kid.
Wait! I had to itch. I had to scratch it. Bleeding arm. What on your donuts?
Why are we at a home for the elderly?
Because old people love little kids. Look, everyone! Who wants to squeeze some adorable children? Oh, good. Here you go. Here's Bob. Watch out. He's a hugger. Oh, hi, Nona.
I didn't know you were coming to visit.
Yeah, I just really needed a break from those kids. And I need a hug from my Nona.
How's your day been?
Pretty rough, but I'm starting to feel better. You know, putting the bad stuff out of my mind.
Oh, good. Oh, did you hear they canceled That's a Drag?
Oh, why just that?
All right, hold up. Cut it. Cut!
Why is she yelling cut?
You watch it or I will write your name down.
Who are you?
Who am I? I am the assistant to the president of this studio.
You look like a teenager.
Hey! I have a graduate degree from the University of Alabama. Now, you go wait outside.
But he's the boy what tried to steal the...
Go. Just meet me in the parking lot. Okay, where are you taking all this That's a Drag stuff?
To, Storage Warehouse 14.
Oh, no. Give me that. My boss wants all this stuff to go to this address.
All of it?
All of it. And some pizza.
What kind?
All kinds!
Let's go. 3 cheeses?
Why are you making cat sounds?
Cause Cat's coming.
So why not just say Cat's coming?
Oh, cause I was, using a special signal, cause Cat's coming.
Shut the fridge!
You like it?
Mikey, I love it! It's all the stuff from That's a Drag! Show is! Wow! We have to find out who did this!
I did this.
Really? Sam, you're so sweet.
Hey, never. I guess I'm a little sweet.
Oh, come on! Roommate power!
Not a hugger. Not a hugger. Not a hugger!
Wait, where's all my Nona stuff?
I don't know, some storage warehouse.
But what if she gets mad at us?
Why do boats float?
No more questions.
Are you on Medicare?
Nona, about your furniture, I
Just yank this child off my back.
I got him.
Thank you. I'm going away now. Is that a new lamp?
No,
Same old lamp.
zebra colored.
Not from a TV show.
I I could swear something's different.
Will someone read me a story?
No.
Is toothpaste a vegetable?
No.
Can I jump off the roof?
Yes. Bob, please let go.
Who invented peanuts?
I don't know. Bob.
Do spiders get headaches?
Spiders! Bob, seriously.
Will you wash my pants?
That's it? Come on, we're going somewhere. Oh. Oops. Oh, thank you.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked and subscribed. Make sure to comment if you want me to react to Dogman. Bye.
This is different. Somewhere deep in the forest, the cultists are raising this deer. No way, sorry. That is